guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to be doing my very first Halloween video for you guys. It is October. Wow, we made it. In this video, I'm going to be doing some pumpkin painting. That's what I decided to do today. So I went to my local dollar store and picked up some fake little pumpkins to use for the pumpkin painting. And so I decided that I'm going to paint these pumpkins all different Frankenstein faces because I thought that it would be like super cute to do Frankenstein. So some paint from the dollar store also. I got this acrylic paint. This one's in white. This one is in Christmas tree green, and then there's just a black one. So I got 3 paints. Google to try and see if I can find the perfect Frankenstein dudes for me. So I picked 3 of them that maybe I would like recreate those. So I'm gonna do this one first, the unibrow looking Frankenstein dude. Shake the paint up with green. Black. Take this one. I'm gonna see what I can do with this one. Put this little Frankenstein dude right here on a plate and just kind of let him dry. Okay, so my pumpkin is somewhat dry. So did the best I can to cover up all the orange. To put Frankenstein's face on him now. Use the white paint. And I'm going to use this little tiny little brush here for the white. And I'm going to give him eyeballs. Not too bad at all. I got his eyeballs. Okay, the second pumpkin face. One eyeball is bigger than the other eyeball. There's another little guy. Actually put his pupil on with the black paint. Like your eyeballs. Freaking ninja. Going to put his mouth now. I put his little stitch and everything. I'm just gonna put his hair. Look at that. Love it. I love him. He's so cute. The next one, just added a little eyelid right there with green paint. Got the eyeballs. Got his smile on. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. He's adorable. He's so cute. Seeing all my pumpkins all together just make me laugh. A nose. This is like the first one I ever gave a nose to out of pumpkins. So I'm gonna do a nose. Oh, this is by far the cutest little pumpkin Franken dude ever. He's so cute. I love him. I think he's like my favorite. What I'm gonna do is stitches. A little bit of stitches. Maybe I should give him a nose ring. Ended up putting a little nose ring in his little nose there. Alright guys, I just finished painting my pumpkin Frankenstein dudes. I did show you guys throughout the video what they were looking like, and I think that they are the most adorable little Frankenstein dudes ever. First dude, he is so adorable. I thought he was super funny. Favorite one, and it is this one. I thought that he was so adorable. Like, oh, he's so cute. He has like a little nose ring I gave him. You're welcome, little dude. Rock on. Last one is this one. He doesn't look too happy right now. But he was funny with his little unibrow and everything. Got his little bolts. The side of his face. I tried. So here he is. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite pumpkin out of the three? I'm glad that they turned out so cute. So anyways guys, I hope that you enjoyed this pumpkin painting video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye guys.